Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim and Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Abdulghani Hamza and this is our group project presentation. So, our team members for this project are me, Abdulghani Hamza, and my teammate Shayma Al-Attas. And the clients for this project are Zaid Al-Matari, the vice president for WAMY Club, and Hamza Babattat, who was helping us throughout this project in obtaining the media that we need in editing the pages as required. So as I said, the group project we did was for WAMI Club. We chose WAMI Club because it's one of the famous clubs in IUM, and their activities are very well known in IUM. So for the project scope was mainly to create a website for WAMI Club, and they wanted us to cover some main areas such as they wanted us to move the old blog from the old website to the new website with uh, with the updates and with the current information. Also, they wanted us to add the association activities throughout this year, and also they wanted us to add the main boards for this year and last year. Their main purpose for this website is to promote their ideas, WAMI Club's ideas, thoughts, tours, and activities, and so on. Their user requirement was to make a slideshow events that WAMI did, a page for the main board members, an article page, the navigation bar. They wanted it to be on the top of the home page. They wanted just simple design with suitable colors that suit the WAMI Club's theme. The information they wanted to be displayed are the logo, vision and mission, main board, events, campaigns and tours, articles, contact information, gallery, and marketing. And then this is the website, which my teammate will show, Shema. And then for the PLC and SDLC and lessons learned and what did not go on plan or what did go on planning, we wanted to start the project with a clear start, so that like we wanted to make everything already pre-decided on, like what we wanted to do on which date. But sometimes it was not that it wasn't that that wasn't the case because of different time constraints, because of busy schedules, and so on. Um, we tried to plan. For the planning part, we tried to plan and set everything, but it didn't go as well. For the execution part, we tried to implement whatever the client asked, um, from information they wanted to be displayed, from the navigation bar, how they wanted it, where they wanted it, and so on. This is the Gantt chart we made. If we want a clearer look, we can open it from here. Here we can see our Gantt chart. I want to show the timeline. This is the timeline. We started here with the project goals, with identifying the project goals, and then milestone one, that was client approval, and then design approval, and then user acceptance, and then there is also milestone 5, but then and finally milestone 6, which is evaluation. So going back to the slides, and that was our Gantt chart. And lastly, the lessons learned. And the lessons I learned from this project is very important, that we need to manage our time effectively, because sometimes when you are free, your team members are not free. When you are free, the client is not free, so you need to manage your time very effectively. Also, another lesson I learned, that was we need to give some time for response, because sometimes the client takes time to reply, so we need to like pre-send the message from like a week before, or 3 days, 4 days ago, so that we know that the reply will take time. And lastly, that miscommunication that happened between the team members as us working on the project will affect the project significantly. And that's it for my part. Thank you very much, and Assalamu alaikum.